Nag-umpisa sa pagkakandidata ko pagka-presidente, alam naman ng lahat, pati kalaban ko nagsasabi, wala talaga akong pera at wala akong makinaryang pandaraya. Meron akong organisasyon, yung Movers ko at yung People's Reform Party ko, pero wala akong organisasyon para sa pandaraya. Kaya hindi ako sana pumasok dito kung hindi na naramdaman ko at nakita ko at narinig ko sarili ko at hindi lamang ako, pati na yung aking volunteer staff na gusto na talaga ng sambayanan ng pagbabago. Kaya hanggang ngayon, hindi lamang the burden of monitoring all these developments does not rest on me. It rests on the citizenry who have elected me to the presidency. For I have already been elected, at least as of this date. For 3 days now, the Filipino people talking through the ballot box have been saying, we want for President Miriam Defensor Santiago. It is time to listen to the Filipino people. It is time for other candidates to stop talking, listen to what the